The question is, consider the limit. Limit extends to 1. 1 by log x minus 1 by x minus 1. The limit correct up to one decimal place is. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic calculus subtopic limits. The solution is GATE 2021. So usually evaluated by standard limits, that is formulas, or procedure by indeterminate forms, or direct substitution procedure, or substitution method, etc., rationalizing factor, etc. So this can be written as limit extends to 1. So this is usually becomes log 1, 0, 1 by 0, infinity. Here 1 by 1 minus 1, 1 by 0, infinity. This is an indeterminate form, infinity minus infinity form. So try to convert into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity by cross multiplying, that is taking LCM here. Is I can write log x into x minus 1. Now this is x minus 1 minus log x, natural logarithm x. So finally it is looks like quotient of 2x term. Now if you put by direct substitution x is equal to 1, this is 0, log 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, log 1 0, 0 into any number 0, finite number. So this is finally 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital's. So this is limit extends to 1. Differentiate numerator with respect, then denominator with respect. X minus 1 derivative with respect is 1. Log x derivative with respect is 1 upon x. Divided by UV rule, product rule. B into U dash plus U into V dash. So x minus 1 into log x derivative with respect is 1 by x plus log x into x minus 1 derivative with respect is 1. Since by using L'Hospital's now again check that by direct substitution x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, here 0, log 1 0. Once again 0 by 0. 0 by 0 form. So but I can write this term limit extends to 1. Numerator is no simplification. Leave like that. Denominator x into 1 by x is 1. 1 by x, 1 into 1 by x is 1 by x plus log. This is again 0 by 0 form is equal to limit extends to 1. 1 derivative 0. 1 by x derivative with respect is minus 1 by x square. There is already minus. So this is 1 by whole divided by 1 derivative 0. This minus 1 by x derivative with respect is 1 by x square log x derivative 1 by x. Since by L'Hospital's, I am writing short form LHS. Now put direct substitution x equal to 1, numerator 1, denominator 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2, because 1 decimal point, this is 0.5. So the answer is 0.5. This is end of the question. The question is the rank of the matrix 4 by 4 matrix given 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 5, 6, 2, 7, 7, 8, 2, 9 is 4 options A, B, C, D given. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic linear algebra subtopic basics, that is rank. The solution is, so here the determinant symbol is here, not matrix. So this is the matrix symbol. Hope that everyone understood. Now solution. So let us denote this matrix as you wish by A. So reduce into row echelon form, then number of non-zero rows is called rank of a matrix. That is row echelon form is, know that elements below the diagonal 0 by using row operations, applying R2 changes to R2 minus 3R1. So this is the first diagonal element. Make its down element 0. That is R2, R3, R4 with the help of R1. The operations below given. R3 changes to R3 minus 5R1, R4 changes to R4 minus 7R1, equivalent to, will be giving an equivalent matrix. First row no change, 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 4 minus 3 into 2, minus 2. 2 minus 3 into 2, minus 4. 5 minus 3 into 3, minus 5. 5 minus 5 into 1, 0. 6 minus 5 into 2, minus 4. 2 minus 5 into 2, minus 8. 7 minus 5 into 3, minus 8. Next, 7 minus 7 into 1, 0. 8 minus 7 into 2, 8 minus 14, minus 6. 2 minus 7 into 2, minus 12. 9 minus 7 into 3, that is minus 12. Now, this is the next diagonal element. Next down element zeros. Applying R3 changes to R3 element. This is R4 element. We should make 0 with help of this R2 element, minus 2. So, R3 minus 2R2. R4 changes to R4 minus 3R, equivalent to another new matrix, 4 by 4 matrix will be giving, for which R1, R2 remains same, 1, 2, 2, 3. 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. 0, this becomes 0, this is 0, 0, and this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is diagonals 1, minus 2, 0, 0. Below that, zeros, row echelon form. That is, we should make the matrix the number of zeros before the first non-zero element in each row should be less than the number of such zeros in the next rows. That is called row echelon. Zero rows, if any, belongs to the bottom of the matrix. Here, the bottom rows, third row, fourth row, zeros. How many non-zero rows? 2 non-zero rows. Okay. Therefore, rank of matrix A is equal to number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows. Non-zero row means a row with at least one element is not equal to 0. Such a row is called non-zero row. So the rank of the matrix is 2. Answer is 2 accordingly. Option A. This is end of the question. The question is, the values of abscissa x and ordinate y of a curve are as follows. Tabular form given, x column, y column. X value is 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0. Y values 5.00, 7.25, 10.00, 13.25, 17.00. By Simpson's one-third rule, comma, the area under the curve round off to 2 decimal places is. This question is from engineering mathematics. From the topic numerical methods, subtopic numerical integration. The solution is, so usually area is evaluated by definite integral a to b f of x dx, where a is the lower limit, that is starting value, and b is the upper limit, that is the ending value of x. So usually y values are denoted by y0, y1, y2, etc. yn. So curve means fx. Okay, that is y value. Y is equal to fx. Mention one-third rule Simpsons. So the data here, the length of each subinterval, that is 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, reference is 0.5, which is called length of each subinterval. For 5 data points given, 5 x values, 5 x values, that is n value is nothing but 5 minus 1, 4, comma, n is equal to 4. Now, y0, 5. I can write 5.00 as 5. Similar way, y1, 7.25, y2, 10, comma, y3, 13.25, y4, 70. Therefore, by Simpson's 1/3 rule, area is integral a to b. That is here. You can write a is equal to starting value of x, to b is ending value of x, that is 4. Integral a to b by dx, which is nothing but Simpson's rule, h by 3 into y naught plus yn. That is end ordinate value, last ordinate value. That is by 4 here without multiplying by anything. Sum of this plus 4 times odd suffix y value, that is y1 plus y3 plus 2 times sum of even suffix values, here 4 times sum of odd suffix y value, that is y2 only. Now this is equal to 0.5 divided by 3, or you can write 1 by 6 into y0 plus y4, that is 5 plus 17, 22 plus 4 times y1 plus y3, 7.25, 13.25. So this is 20.5 plus 2 times y2, that is 10. So this simplifies to, because they asked 2 decimal places. So you will be getting, this is 22 and this is 82 and this is 20. 124 by 6. Approximately 20.67 or 20.667, like that, because 2 decimal places you will be getting 20.666 recurring decimal. So I can say 20.67. So the answer is 20.67. That is the area. This is end of the question. The question is, the shape of the cumulative distribution function of a Gaussian distribution is A. Straight line at 45 degrees angle, B. L-shaped, C. S-shaped, D. Horizontal line. Solution. This question is from engineering management, from the topic probability and statistics, subtopic distributions. So what is fx? 1 by sigma 2 pi e to the power minus of x minus mu whole square divided by 2 sigma square for minus infinity less than x less than infinity, all real numbers, is the probability density function of a Gaussian random variable x. This is Gaussian, RV means random variable capital. Cumulative distribution function capital Fx is equal to probability of x less than or equal to x, which is nothing but integral minus infinity to x f of x dx, which is nothing but 1 by sigma root 2 pi integral minus infinity to x e to the power minus of x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. So mu is the mean, sigma square is the variance of the Gaussian random variable. Okay, so this is, so we know that Gaussian distribution is a bell-shaped. Just a minute. I will draw by blue color. So this is minus infinity to infinity. Symmetrical about x is equal to mu. This is a bell-shaped curve. F of x So, well shaped. Accordingly, the option is B. This is the end of the question. The question is the volume determined from triple integral over d 8xyz dv for v is equal to closed interval 2 comma 3 into closed interval 1 comma 2 into closed interval 0 comma 1 in integer is. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic calculus multiple integrals. The solution is a 2021 question. Actually, this is here integral over. So here this x limits 2 to 3, y limits 1 to 2, z limits 0 to 1, all are constant limits. X is equal to 2 to 3, y limits 1 to 2, z limits 0 to 1. The integrand term is eight x y z dx. dv means dx, dy, dz. Partition. So all the constant limits that such a triple integral can be evaluated as product of single integrals. With respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to 2 to 3 x limits. 8 is a constant. I can put outside x dx into integral with respect to y, y limits 1 to 2, y term only y dy. Integration with respect to z between the limits 0 to 1 dt. So x integration with respect to x is x square by 2, y integration with respect to y is y square by 2, z integration with respect to z is z square by 2. So this is 8 times x square by 2 between the limits 2 to 3 into y square by 2 between the limits 1 to 2, z square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. So this is here denominator all the 2's 2 into 2 into 2 which is cancelled with this 8. So x square between 3 and 2 9 minus 4, y square between 2 and 1 4 minus 1, z square between 1 and 0 1 minus 2. So this is 5 3 1. 5 into 3 into 1 is. So the answer is 15. This is the end of the question. The question is the solution of the second order differential equation d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 with the boundary conditions y of 0 is equal to 1 and y of 1 is equal to 3 is. Four options A, B, C, D given. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic differential equation subtopic here order differential equation with constant coefficients. So whenever right side 0, the solution is called complementary function. Boundary conditions given to determine the constants or arbitrary constants C1, C2. Solution. So the first step to write auxiliary equation, use notation AE stands for short form of auxiliary equation. Second derivative is replaced by m square. First derivative is replaced by m, and the constant that is y variable is replaced by 1. So that means the last term is 1 is equal to 0. That is when you write the operator form of this is f of capital D put t is equal to m without writing any variable y and x constants. That means the left side without writing this y. There you put d is equal to m, which is an algebraic equation in m. Such an equation is called auxiliary equation. So the roots here m plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So repeated root, multiple root, minus 1 is repeated twice. 2 equal real roots in verbal language. This is usually denoted by such 2 equal roots m1 comma m1. Therefore, solution is dependent variable is the solution, that is y is equal to cf. Cf stands for complementary function. Whenever two roots are equal, the cf is c1 plus c2x into e to the power m1x, that is e to the power minus x. Let us denote equation. So the two boundary conditions, y values only, there is no dy by dx value, so doesn't require to find differentiation here. Using y of 0 is equal to 1, that is y value 1 when x is equal to 0 and y of 1 is equal to 3, that is y value 3 when x is equal to 1, comma, equation 1 gives equation 1 gives equation 1 gives here 1 is equal to, you will be getting x value 0, so c1 into e power 0 value 1, so c1 value directly 1, and y value 3 is equal to x value 1, so c1 plus c2 into e power minus 1, c1 value 1, so this is, I can write c2 is equal to 3 times e minus 1, because e power minus 1 shifting to left side becomes e. So these are c2 value and c1 value. Therefore, back to equation, substitute there. Y is equal to c1, that is 1, c2 e minus 1 into x into e to the power minus x. So what they are asking is, say, equation 2, the value of the solution directly. Okay, so let me check. There is no 1 plus here. I can write 1 into e power minus x is e power minus x plus 3e minus 1, 3e minus 1 into x into e power minus x. So hope that this is the solution which is available in option B. So the answer is y is equal to, that is solution. This is solution is e power minus x plus 3e minus 1 into x into e power minus 1, x into e power minus x. Accordingly, the option is B. This is end of the question. The question is the value of, that is integral 0 to 1 e power x dx using the trapezoidal rule with 4 equal subintervals is. 4 options ABCD given. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic numerical methods, subtopic numerical integration, 2021. The solution is, so this is integrand f of x, lower limit a0, upper limit b1, 4 equal subintervals means n is equal to 4 using the method trapezoidal rule. So first of all, n is equal to 4, a is equal to 0, lower limit, b is equal to 1, upper limit, 4 subintervals n implies the formula for finding h is b minus a by n, 4 minus 0, that means 1 minus 0 by 4, 1 by 4, is nothing but 0.25. Your fx value integrand is exponential function e power x. Start for finding the ordinates y values. So y naught is equal to function value at a. A is nothing but 0. F of 0, e power 0, that is 1. Y1 is equal to function value, that is f of a plus h. A plus h value become 0.25. So this is e to the power 0.25. Calculate exponential 1.284 approximately. When to stop for calculating these ordinates y values till to get y4 value, because n is equal to 4. So y2 is equal to f of function value at a plus 2h. A plus 2h value becomes 0.5, which is nothing but e to the power 0.5. So approximately up to 3 decimal places, 1.648. Y3 is equal to function value at a plus 3h. A plus 3h value is 0.75, which is nothing but e to the power 0.75. So approximately up to 3 decimal places, this is 2.117. And finally y4, this is nothing but conceptual notation yn, function value at a plus nh, that is a plus 4h. A plus 4h is 1. So we will reach that upper limit b, That is, this is nothing but e power 1. E power 1 value is e value 2.712. So approximately 3 places 2.718. Therefore, by trapezoidal root, comma, integral 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, e raised to x dx is equal to formula h by 2 into y naught plus yn, that is y4, sum of extreme values of y plus remaining y values, middle values multiplied by 2, 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3. So h value we got 0.25, that is 1 by 4 by 2, 1 by 8 you can write. So y naught 1, y4 2.718 plus 2 times y1 1.284 plus y2 1.648 plus y3 2.117. So simplify. This is the question requires decimal number of places is not required. Anyhow, 3 places, 2 places as you wish. So this simplifies to 1.727 approximately. So the answer is 1.727. Accordingly, the option is C. This is end of the question. The question is, if P is equal to square matrix 2 by 2 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and Q is another 2 by 2 square matrix 0, 1, 1, 0, then Q transpose, P transpose. 4 options ABCD given. This question is from engineering mathematics from the topic linear algebra. Linear algebra subtopic is basics. Solution is transpose of a square matrix or any matrix interchanging rows and columns. So Q transpose into P transpose directly. I am doing one more question. 1, okay, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is on transposing. Please remember diagonal elements won't changes its position. So you will be getting 0, 1, 1, 0. Q is nothing but Q transpose. So this is also you can say symmetric Q matrix. P transpose 1, 3, 2, 4. So this simplifies to matrix multiplication. First row into first column 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So 0 plus 2. First row into second column 0 into 3, 0 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Second row into first column 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2, 0. Second row into second column 1 into 3, 3 plus 0 into 4, 0. So this is equal to 2, 4, 1, 3. So the answer is 2, 4, 1, 3. Accordingly, the option is D. This is the end of the question.